Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I am trying to sit in front of my laptop to film this. I've been trying to work with my phone all day. I couldn't get it filmed, but I really wanted to get this out for you. So I have some winnings from Carmen, who is Elemental Design here on YouTube, and I have a beautiful appreciation gift from Sazon and Crafts, who is Sazon, who is Carmen's husband. So I watch their channel and support them, and they support me, and I love them both so much. So I have to show you what they sent me more winnings in. I opened it up, but I haven't done this. But look at this. I had to cut it open. It came in the package. Oh my gosh, Alice in Wonderland album cover. Oh my stars. You know I'm going to have to use this for something. So cute. So let me see what's in here. Some paper. Okay, here's a little note. Dear friend, here are the winnings and gifts from myself and Sazon. Thank you so much for your support and your friendship. It really means a lot to me. Yes. Okay, Carmen, thank you so much. You shouldn't. You don't need to, but I love you so much too. And hugs to you. Okay, so, oh my stars, y'all. Okay, so first let me show you my winnings from Carmen. She did a summer series where she did a canvas each week, and every week I'd watch it, and I'd want to win one of those canvases so bad because she gave them away. Because she is a beautiful artist. She's so talented, and I just love her artwork to pieces. Well, I finally won one, and this is it. Look at this. This is just stunning. It is absolutely stunning. See if I can hold it up and get it focused here. Focus. So it is so pretty. The lighting in here is not doing it justice. It's really not. It's beautiful colors, and it's just beautiful. So I am so thrilled and so honored to have a piece of your artwork. Let's see if I can hold it back here a little bit and maybe pick up the colors a little bit better. No. But it's really pretty, and you should go through and check out her channel. See if I can put it closer and get some of the colors in it. But it's pinks and blues and lavenders, and it's just stunning. So that was my winnings from Carmen. And she is, like I said, a lovely mixed media artist, and this is going on my wall. And and then Sazon also created like a 12 by 12 every Friday night. And he decided that he was not going to do giveaways and that kind of thing. But he wanted to show appreciation for people who supported him and on his channel, and you know, and watched his lives and videos and stuff. And so he gave things away to show appreciation. So first thing that he sent to me was this beautiful card that he made. And you know I love that. Right up my alley here. And Sazon is just beautiful. And it says, to my friend Donna, thank you so much for your support, Sazon and Crafts. And then, I love this. You know I do. This is one of my favorites. I kept saying, I want that, I want that. But look at this. This is just beautiful. Trying to put it where you can see it. Beautiful work. The canvas, the stars, the sleeve, you know, it's just beautiful. And it says inspire. And he has inspired me so much. Getting back to my vintage roots. I've been doing a lot of vintage stuff lately, and I love it. It's so nice to get back to where, you know, it's something that I love to do. And you're going to be seeing more vintage and shabby things from me because I love doing it. And if you missed my Monday morning coffee, you should go back and hear my rambling. I talked about some of the things and how I was feeling about that. But Carmen and Sazon. I can't say how much I love you guys so much. And thank you for supporting me. You have been a wonderful friends, both of you. And, you know, I just can't thank you enough for being there for me. And I will continue to support both of you because I love you both very much. And thank you very much. So guys, if you've not been over to their channel before, Elemental Design and then Sazon and Crafts, I will link both their channels below in the description box for you. Head over there and check out their channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back. I have some more mail that I really want to share with you. All right, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.